Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for building meaningful connections: how to get a woman's attention without being creepy. We know that the dating world can be tricky, and it's important to approach someone you're interested in with respect and care. So, let's explore some strategies to make a lasting impression without crossing any boundaries. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our content. Let's get started. Segment 1. Confidence, not overconfidence. Confidence is attractive, but overconfidence can be off-putting. When you're trying to get a woman's attention, it's essential to strike the right balance. Confident body language, eye contact, and a positive self-image can go a long way. Just remember not to overdo it and come across as arrogant. Segment 2. The power of a genuine smile. A genuine smile is a universal language. It's one of the most effective ways to break the ice and get someone's attention. A warm smile communicates approachability, friendliness, and positivity. When you greet someone with a sincere smile, it sets a pleasant tone for your interaction. Segment 3. Start with a polite introduction. Begin your approach with a polite introduction. This shows respect and consideration for the other person's space and comfort. A simple "Hi, I'm," "Your name," or "Nice to meet you" can be a great way to initiate a conversation without making the other person feel uncomfortable. Segment 4. Engage in active listening. Active listening is a game changer when it comes to getting someone's attention. Show genuine interest in what she's saying. Nodding, making eye contact, and responding thoughtfully to her words can create a connection and demonstrate your interest in her thoughts and feelings. Segment 5. Compliments with sincerity. Compliments can be a fantastic way to get a woman's attention, but they must be genuine and respectful. Compliment her on something specific that you genuinely appreciate, whether it's her smile, her outfit, or her knowledge on a particular topic. Avoid objectifying or overly personal compliments. Segment 6. Find common interests. One of the best ways to connect with someone is by finding common interests. Shared hobbies or topics of interest can be great conversation starters. Ask about her interests, hobbies, or activities, and see if you have something in common. It's a natural way to create a bond and get her attention. Segment 7. Respect personal space. Respecting personal space is vital when approaching someone. Give her enough room to feel comfortable and safe. Avoid invading her personal bubble or making physical contact without her consent. It's essential to be mindful of boundaries. Segment 8. Be mindful of nonverbal cues. Pay attention to nonverbal cues. A woman's body language can tell you a lot about how she's feeling. If she's making eye contact, smiling, and maintaining an open posture, these are positive signals. If she's avoiding eye contact, crossing her arms, or looking uncomfortable, it's time to reassess your approach. Segment 9. Offer help or assistance. Sometimes, offering help or assistance can be a genuine way to get her attention. If you notice she needs help with something, like carrying groceries or finding a location, offering your assistance can create a positive impression. Segment 10. Be patient and respectful of her response. Lastly, remember that not every approach will lead to a connection, and that's okay. Be patient and respectful of her response, whatever it may be. If she's not interested, gracefully accept her decision and thank her for her time. It's important to maintain respect and dignity throughout the interaction. In conclusion, getting a woman's attention without being creepy is all about respect, genuine interest, and a considerate approach. Remember that building connections takes time, and it's important to prioritize her comfort and boundaries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your interactions be filled with respect and meaningful connections.